Lunar Crater Radio Telescope Prototype 19, the feed. Here I'm painting the feed mock-up. First a covering coat and then paint it fluorescent pink so it's visible in the crater at the NASA Johnson Space Center rock yard. I'm drilling holes in the corners for the lift. 2 holes in each corner. Now also in the vertical pipe I'm drilling a larger to allow the wires to go to the winch. We have 4 anchors made up of tent stakes with an orange line connected to a pulley with half hitches on either end. I wrapped them up, all 4 of them, one for the north, south, east, and west corners. Here at the JSC rock yard at the larger crater, I'm installing, first of all, some sawhorses. Then I recruited a couple people to help carry the supplies to the center area. We've got a round piece of wood left over from prototype 001. You can see the white pole and the winch and a chair. The white pole is in a bucket of sand, and there's the feed antenna mock-up in pink. Connecting the wires together. Now here's the full configuration of the mock-up. In this prototype of the Lunar Crater Radio Telescope, we have anchors represented by tent stakes connected to lines and pulleys. The pulleys hold the lift wires represented by the pink lines here. Pulleys, the lift wires, go to the central structure. At the central structure we have bonded at the corners. We have a simulation mock-up of the feed antenna. The other end of the pulley goes to the center column here, which is connected to the winch. So the winch pulls in all 4 lift wires through their pulleys and their anchors. There, 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 and there. This would, in theory, cause the feed antenna to lift up. But as you can see, our crater is too shallow for this particular structure. So instead of the lift wires lifting up the feed antenna, right now it's just holding it down. So I'll need a different structure, probably just a shorter stick. Here goes down to a bucket of sand. And with a shorter stick we should be able to manage a full configuration lift of the feed antenna from 4 cardinal points around the crater. If I rotate the lift wires just a little bit, I can get a few more inches of elevation on the south lift wire anchor point. Rotating clockwise would also give me a couple more inches of height on the east anchor point.